Welcome back to the chapter, students. And in this module, we shall be studying need of the hour. But what is the need of the hour? Now, it is required to have genetic literacy movements in schools and colleges. Remember, since the beginning of this chapter, we have been studying recombinant DNA technology, and we have also studied the various applications of recombinant DNA technology. We have used recombinant DNA technology in genomic library, in cDNA library for creating new transformed cells for our better purposes and production of insulin. So all these are the various aspects regarding applications of biotechnology, but we need to study them thoroughly, and hence genetic literacy movements in schools and colleges are required. But what are they required about? They are required regarding rapid developments taking place in molecular genetics. What are we dealing with? We are dealing with genetics. Genetic engineering, can you recall, is genetic manipulation. So here we require literacy movements regarding developments taking place in molecular genetics. Developments, that means new research and new inventions that are happening in the field of molecular genetics. But how is it going to help? So let us take a look at it. It will help in better understanding of opportunities and risks with our DNA technology. There are certain risks associated with gene manipulations. We have studied that as a biosafety issue. Can you recall the various problems that were associated with gene manipulations and genetic modifications? Hence, we require a better understanding of opportunities and risks with our DNA technology. So, these literacy movements can help us achieve this. Next, it will help to promote safe and responsible use of tools associated with new genetics. We as researchers or we as biologists will be involved in these manipulations, involved in these genetic manipulations and genetic engineering. So it is our responsibility to be responsible with the use of tools that are associated with new genetics. And these literacy movements will help us to promote the safe and responsible properties and practices associated with it. And finally, it will help in improvement in food, agriculture, medicine, industry and environment. Can you recall that these were all the applications and new techniques that were involved in biotechnology? So ultimately, we will be working for the betterment of society and betterment of mankind. Ultimately, the sole aim of biotechnology is to produce products for services of human welfare. So hence, we need genetic literacy movements in schools and colleges to understand the various aspects. So that is currently the need of the hour. So in this module, we studied the need of the hour, and we have finally done with the chapter Biotechnology, Processes and Applications. So study well, take care, bye-bye, and all the best.